life work group, you know, back at it. You know what I'm saying? Showing you how things go down, you know, and how many we lost certain times. Throughout all the grave sites, you know, that's over hundreds and hundreds of years of history. You know? Right there set in stone. You know what I'm saying? I say basically, back on the job again. Trying to make some things, you know, move, shake around. Whatever you want to call it, you know what I'm saying? Production. It's whatever. You know. But it's a beautiful day, you know. Today is what you make it. Basically, there's a lot of people out there, you know, with a lot of this foolishness as far as this hatred. You know what I'm saying? We let a hater, you know, do their job. You know what I'm saying? Our job is to stay ill, you know what I'm saying, to keep this real shit going. Basically.
That's not the right number. I'm trying to tell you.
You know?
I have the card. I was another card I was giving you.
Let them do what they do.
When I called you.
We're gonna continue doing what we do. You know what I'm saying? You worry about what the next motherfucker doing, and you need to be doing. You know what I'm saying? How can you get like this? How can you get like this? Better yourself, improve yourself. So what I'm trying to do. You know, I can't sit there and tell you something if I'm not trying to do it myself. Basically, you know, real life work, and you know, this is how we do things. You know, it's all about production over here and self-improvement and self-awareness. Keep it conscious. You know what I'm saying? Know where we're going. Understanding where we've been. You know?